Hello everyone, I am Supriya and you are watching Supriyapedia Learn with me. In this video, I am doing a fun collaboration with my friend Art Estrika. You can have a watch at once of her video which will play in few seconds. She mainly work with acrylic and dry pastels. When you visit her channel, you can see a lot of videos. I like the most the girl with pearl earring. We both are making same reference in different mediums. She is doing in acrylic and I am doing in watercolor. So let's begin.
Hey guys, Artistrika Art here. Thank you Supriyapedia for this amazing collab. She's awesome and super fun to work with, and she is really good with watercolor and pencil shading. My favorite from some of her videos are drawing Noda Fatehi and how to draw Jesus, baby Jesus and Mother Mary. And guys, so go check out her other videos and please do subscribe to Supriyapedia and Artistrika Art as well. Go check out my channel Artistrika Art also. Thank you so much.
Hope you all enjoyed seeing our videos. If you do, please like, comment and share this video. I pinned her channel link in the comment section below. Do have a look once. If you want me to draw something, comment below. I will try to make it. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our channels for latest tutorials updates. Stay safe, keep watching. Thank you.